Hey friends, this is Kathy. Welcome to today's video. I am so glad that you're here. I hope you're having a great day. We've got some kitchen organizing that we're going to do today. We've also got a new look in the dining room, and I'd love to get your opinion in the comments once you watch that. And then don't forget to stay to the end because I've got just a little thrift haul, but the things that I got are super cute. So let's get started. This is a little bit of this and a little bit of that video again. And I thank you guys for watching so much. I'm working my way up to 1,000 subscribers. So if you like what you see on this channel, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Okay, here we go. I have literally been throwing stuff down under the sink for a while now, and it is getting on my last nerve. So today we are taking everything out of the area under the kitchen sink, and we are going to redo this area, straighten it up, and take out whatever doesn't need to belong under there. So here we go. You guys hang on to your hats because I'm moving fast. So here is everything that I have taken out from under the sink. Now it is time to sort through, see what I want to put back under the sink, and figure out where I want to put any other little things that have made their way down there. So I wanted to wipe it down good. It wasn't too bad actually. And then I am going to dry it with paper towel because I am going to put some shelf liner down there, which I did not do when we moved in. So I thought, since I'm cleaning this out, I'm going to go ahead, and I had a little shelf liner left over, so I'm going to line this and, make it look nice. I took everything out of the baskets that I had under the sink, and now what I'm doing is deciding what goes back in, trying to sort and organize so that I don't have quite so much stuff under here, because that's where I get into trouble. I get too much stuff under here and then it just is just overflowing. So I do have quite a bit of stuff still under there anyhow. The little soap dispenser for the sink, I had never put any soap in it because I usually have like a little small dispenser by the sink. But I thought, while I'm down here, I'm going to take this off. I cleaned it out, and I'm filling it up with some more soft soap. So we will have additional soap to wash our hands with. In this sink a few months ago, we did get a new faucet, and so I have been loving that, but I had never changed this soap, which is kind of gross. So I'm glad to get this in here and get this updated. And here is our under the sink finished project. Everything nice and organized. And these are things that I use a lot, so I do like to keep them handy in the kitchen under the sink. So now we're going to move on to the dreaded junk drawer and see what we can do with that. So here's a little before pictures of the junk drawer. And I call it the junk drawer because I don't know what else to call it. These are just things that we use quite a bit and like to keep them handy in the kitchen instead of putting all of this kind of stuff out in the garage. Especially this time of year because that garage is cold, y'all. And so I took everything out. I sorted it all. And I wanted to clean this drawer a little bit, give it a wipe down, and then put some shelf liner in it. So that's what I'm doing right here. I have a love-hate relationship with shelf liner. There is never going to be another day in my life where I get the kind that sticks, the contact paper kind. That makes me crazy. And so I'm even too lazy to put this kind of shelf liner in my cabinets. And so maybe that's a future project that we'll try to do because when we moved in, I just cleaned the cabinets. I gave them a good scrub and I put the stuff in there. So maybe I'll go back and do it again and put the shelf liner in it. I just hate putting shelf liner in any cabinets and drawers. It just is a task that I would prefer not to do. So what you see me doing here is I have reorganized everything, and some of the things are in Ziploc baggies, so they're not just loose and floating around in the baskets, and putting it all back a little nicer, a little neater. And here is our finished product, and I'm feeling good about this. This was another area in the house that was making me a little crazy. So here we go. We're organized again. Yay! So here is all my doggy stuff that's going in the basket with all the rest of the dog stuff. This is going in the garage, and then I've got my little box filled with the trash that needs to be thrown away. And here is the other stuff that I got out from under the kitchen sink that is going in the garage. I'm glad to get this little task done. Yay! So here is an update in the dining room, and it's really sunny today, so there is a lot of glare. So I moved this little table in here and put it between those two prints. Kind of has the same tones in it. And I took down the leaves in this table and flipped it around. So we've got seating for two in here now. And I've still got my Valentine stuff. I've tweaked it a little bit. Today is Valentine's Day, so this Valentine decor is about to go, and we're gonna get some spring decor going in here. But I had this little rug and I didn't know where to put it, and it's just been living in a closet. So I thought, well, I'd really like a bigger one for in here, but you know what? You do what you can do with what you got. So that's what I'm doing. So I put it under this table, and I just moved the chairs over against the wall. So that gives us a lot more space in here. And I hate to say it, but this room is not used. This is what my husband calls wasted space, but it keeps my sweet mother-in-law's dining room furniture. It holds it and takes care of it for me, so that's okay. So let me know what you think. You like the change in here? And get ready, because we're about to start some spring decorating, you guys. So stay tuned to what the videos that are coming up, because I've been gathering some spring items to add to what I already had. Okay, I've got a little short haul I'm going to share with you next, so don't go anywhere. Stay till the end of the video. Okay, so did a little bit of thrifting, just being kind of picky about what I get. So I'm getting things for spring, and I found this at Goodwill. I think I paid about $4.99 for it. And yeah, I took the tag off of it. You know, I always take the tags off everything and I clean everything up. This was in really good condition. It had one little tiny chip on the back of this, and I got some of my little white paint pen and I fixed that up. So won't that be pretty in a spring vignette? I think it's beautiful. All right, so the only other things that I found were some dish towels and a tea towel. But take a look at this. Williams-Sonoma. I got 2 of these Williams-Sonoma, and yes, I have washed them. And I ironed them. That's a little obsessive, isn't it? I got 2 of these Williams-Sonoma towels, and they were less than $2 each, and they were in perfect condition. I don't know if they've even been used. There were absolutely no stains or anything on them. So those are really pretty for spring. I love the green and that sort of, I guess that's sort of a pink color. So pretty. And then I love this one. And this would have been okay for Valentine's too, but it says love has no measure. It's a tea towel. Super cute. And the little edge, the little border. So I love that. I like anything kitchen-y, so that I was drawn to the little kitchen items. So that's my haul. That's all I got. I hope that today finds you healthy and happy. And I will see you next time. You guys take care. I send you hugs as always. Bye-bye. Lily and Gertie say hey, and thanks for watching. You guys are the best. Bye-bye, y'all.